Hi, I'm Isaac from Isaac Builds Things, and in this video, Bosch has sent me over a two-piece 8 amp hour drill and driver kit to test out. So this is my first impressions for the first couple of weeks of use on site and in the workshop. Let's get into it. So this impact driver is the GDR220C, 220 Newton meters of torque, 113 millimeters long. It's got 3 speed modes. Basically, it's done everything I've expected of it. It works really well. This drill is the GSB 150C, 150 Newton meters of torque. This thing has anti-kickback, so it turns off automatically, flashes at you to say, oh, hope you didn't just break your wrist. And usually you didn't break your wrist because of the anti-kickback. The main thing I used this for in the last week or two was screwing off a couple of roofs, and it did that really well. I did some testing on the hammer drill function. I just put a 12mm hammer drill bit from the Bosch Expert series through a solid concrete cinder block, and then when I used a 5mm one, which is actually more likely to use in real life, to put up window support bars, wands bars, or other things like that on the slab, the 5mm bit went through nice and easy. These tools both did work well with the Bosch spade bits, but I did break the 32mm one when I only had a little bit of it in the chuck. I only had the top end in the chuck, and I snapped it as it was exiting this piece of timber. I've tested both of these on some big screws, and both of them performed basically as expected for a drill and a driver of this size. This is quite a bulky drill. It's definitely got the power you need when you need it. It's not a compact drill. This is a high-end, high-power drill for when you're drilling big holes, big screws, anything like that. And this impact is on the compact side, but powerful. It's not the craziest impact in the world, but it does everything you really can ask an impact driver to do, screwing screws up to 90mm as recommended. One thing I really like about this impact driver is the quick insert chuck. So you just line it up, push it straight in, super fast, and then one hand removal, just like a normal chuck. But that quick insert, man, it's a time saver. So another really awesome bonus about these tools is the belt clips. I really like a nice deep one that goes down nice and far, which gives me a lot of confidence when I'm chucking that on my tool belt. I know it's not gonna come off when I just lift my leg up over a truss or a frame. I just don't want those drills to be falling off multi-story buildings and dropping onto concrete slabs. I also like that it's skinny, so it fits on a hammer loop. Some of the wider ones don't really fit on a hammer loop that well, and this just does that awesomely. Thanks so much Bosch NZ for sending me these tools. I'm going to be putting them to the test and making some more videos in the coming weeks, so check out my YouTube channel for that. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.